Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your organization policies are preventing us from completing the action for you. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix your organization policies are preventing us from completing the action, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on your search bar, then type here internet option. You can see here internet option, just click on that. In this you can see here advanced, just click on the advanced tab. Below you can see restore advanced settings, just click on that and click on apply and click OK. After that you need to open the registry editor. For that you need to click on the search box, then type here registry editor, or you can type regedit also. You can see a registry editor, just click on that. Click on yes to allow. Guys, in this you can see first option HK classes root. You need to double click and expand that one. After that you need to find HTML. You can see here .html, just click on that, and in right section you can see default. Double click on default and rename the file as HTML file. After renaming that, click OK and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your organization policies are preventing us from completing this action for you. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.